Cancer Awareness Month is not too far away. It begins October 1st and ends on October 31st. So, just like Halloween, Breast Cancer Awareness Month is also in October. So, it's not too early to start making our designs and uploading it to all print on demand platforms. Let's go. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel where I teach you how to make money online fast and easy. In today's video, we're going to continue with the top 5 print-on-demand niche research of the week, episode 39. So without further ado, let's get right into it. The first niche for today is this breast cancer awareness shirt. So I think I showed this in my previous video. I'm not really sure about that, but I think I've showed this before. So this is October starts with Cancer Awareness Month, October 1st to October 31st. So breast cancer is a really huge problem that needs to be solved. So showing your support is very, very essential. That's why we need to create shirts like this. So this one is it says breast cancer awareness, then no one fights alone. So it's in the form of an American flag, and it has its breast cancer signs here on the where the stars are. And let's scroll down, take a look at the BSR. So it's first of all priced at $14.99, over 241 sales, over 77 reviews, and overall trend is up, current trend is up. Look at the BSR, guys. It's almost approaching 1, so it can tell you how fast it has been selling. Keywords you can use: breast cancer awareness, American flag, support, fighter, survivor, and things like that. Alright, still in that niche, in September we wear gold. This one is for cancer in general, not for breast cancer. So September is for cancer, October breast cancer. So we're almost towards the end of September, and this shirt has been selling well. This seems like a new design. Whenever you see a design that has sales and hasn't had reviews yet, it shows that it's a new design. So as you can tell, it's not too late to upload your own design because it's gonna sell. So it's priced $17.99, over 27 sales, and our trend is up. Keywords: cancer awareness, September gold, and things like that, survivor, and much more. So here's another cancer awareness shirt. It says believe, and has this cancer pink. I think pink is breast cancer. Yeah, this is breast cancer. So it's just not cancer, it is breast cancer. So another breast cancer awareness shirt, and it says believe, a woman, strong, and things like that, support, fight. So it's selling at $17.99, over 115 sales, 625 reviews. Look at that, overall trend is up, current trend is up. Look at the BSR approaching 1. Keywords, of course, like the others: breast cancer awareness, support, believe, things like that. So that was it for the first niche. Next niche is this feminist shirt. It says we won't go back, and has this hanger. I really don't know what this hanger has. Maybe it means like a hanger stays in place, I won't go back. It's quite a nice idea. I haven't seen this before. So it says we won't go back, Feminist Women's March. So it's a general shirt for feminists. No matter what you want to use it for, this is gonna work. It works as a protest. It works as a, you can use it for a protest. You can use it for when you're going to a voting booth, ballot box, women's right march. So it's a general shirt, and it's priced at $17.95, over 100 sales, 26 reviews, and the overall trend is up. As you can tell, it just dropped here, and look at that, it's really selling. And I'm sure it's because of the anti-abortion laws that this shirt is selling. I don't really want to go into that. It's a really sensitive topic, so I'm just going to keep talking about the niches. So keywords you can use: feminist, women's march, empowerment, feminism and things like that. Long tail keywords is what I always recommend that you go for. And next niche, pumpkin spice and reproductive rights, still in the feminism world. Pumpkin spice, reproductive rights, pro-choice feminist shirt, and it's priced at $18.99, over 90 sales, 3 reviews. It's a new shirt, as you can tell, and it's selling too. Overall trend is up. Keywords: reproductive, feminist, pumpkin spice, patriarchy. I don't know why the word pumpkin spice is being used. If you know why the word pumpkin spice is being used, is it related to Halloween? When I saw this shirt, I was a little bit confused, like pumpkin spice. Is it related to Halloween or not? So, guys, if you know why pumpkin spice is on this shirt, is it related to Halloween or not? I'll really like to know in the comment section below. Please let us know in the comment section below, and really appreciate it. So, moving on, retro arcade game shirt. It's a ghost shirt, and I know I've played games before, but I've never seen this ghost. Guys, let me know in the comment section below if you've seen ghosts like this in your uh, games, your retro games. Because when I saw it, I'm like, does it look like a ghost or not? Because it's on the spot of if a woman was wearing this, it's gonna lay directly on her breast. So I thought that was the use of this, but when I saw retro arcade game ghost, I'm like, how? Like, anyway, it was just a thought in my head. Let me know in the comment section below if you remember seeing ghosts like this in your retro games. And this shirt is priced $15.99, over 91 sales, 179 reviews. Obviously trending up. I think it's because of the Halloween. So Halloween is coming, people are buying it. Look at that, just fell off there, approaching one. Keywords you can use: arcade game, ghost, Halloween, of course, ghost, costume, and things like that. All right, our last niche of the day is also this Halloween dabbing skeleton shirt. So it features all characters related to Halloween that you ever think of. A mummy, also has Dracula, a pumpkin, skeleton, ghost, in short, everything, witches, everything is right here. So it's quite funny. Whoever thought about this did a good job. You know, just by looking at it, it's just so funny. All of them are dabbing. So you remember I said in the past that anything dabbing is gonna sell. This is one of the shirts, dabbing, as well as the famous. I've forgotten the name of the dance. Uh, if I saw another shirt like that, Halloween shirt with skeletons dancing, yeah. So and that one too was selling. So anything that has to do with dabbing or dancing, yeah, they are doing great. So this is priced at $15.99, over 60 sales, 88 reviews. All right, the BSR of our trend is up. As you can tell, Halloween is approaching, people are buying. Keywords you can use: Halloween, dabbing, boys, girls, skeleton, monsters, and things like that. So we have a bonus shirt here. It's a Hawaiian pineapple tropical shirt. Uh, the reason why I chose it is because not only is it because it's trending, but because it's also funny. There's this dabbing pineapple. I talked about dabbing before, so we have dabbing fruits now. If you can find a collection of dabbing fruits, that would be awesome. Like, place them on the shirt. Obviously, that would be funny, and people surely buy it. And you can also replace this pineapple with maybe what a watermelon, dabbing watermelon. And he says my Hawaiian shirt. So the list is endless. You can replace it with all the fruits that you find. Either they are dabbing or they're dancing. That would be really funny. So it's just a thought that came to my head, and I think it's gonna sell, because who doesn't love dabbing or dancing fruits? It's just so funny. Anyway, that was the extra niche that I just wanted to talk about. So we're gonna move to the second part of this video, which is revealing the name of last week's giveaway. So as usual, I'm just gonna grab the link of this video, paste it here, and get the YouTube comments. then click start. So who's gonna be the lucky person? EPL review, tier of last month. Oh yeah, I remember this person. Congratulations to you, EPL review. I'm gonna leave you a comment notifying you for winning this week's giveaway. What happens is you can schedule a one-on-one call where you can ask me any questions you want, any personal questions you want, anything. I give you 30 minutes of my time, and you can ask anything you want. So if you're interested in entering this quick giveaway, you can always leave a comment in the comment section, and it could be anything, not only related to the video. Even it's related to the video, just leave a comment and then you're automatically entered in the next video. I'm going to scoop the comments like I just did and pick one person, and the circle goes all over again. So guys, if you found this helpful, please give it a thumbs up. If you'd like to learn more about prenatal man and KDP, this is the channel for you. Hit the subscribe button, turn on the bell notifications so you'll be the first notified when I release a new video. With that being said, see you on the next one.